the clear blue of the western sky comes Sky King.
Starting in 1951, Western TV adventure series Sky King captured the imagination of youth across the country, just as fictitious Arizona rancher and pilot Sky King captured criminals with the help of Songbird, his trusty twin-engine Cessna.
He would go out and chase the bad guys with the 310, and I'm soaking this up as a 8, 9, 10, 12, 13-year-old. It was on for a few years. And when the time came, I thought, that's where I want to go.
The twin Cessna in the TV series left a lasting impression on John Bowman, starting a lifelong love for the Cessna 310.
It's visually, to me, and I know it's personal, a lot of it's personally, a very beautiful airplane. And so there was a little bit of a love affair to start with.
John realized his dream of owning a 310 when he and his wife bought this R model in the late 80s. They went on to fly it thousands of hours for business, and it served them well as a trusty traveling airplane. But when John retired, he wanted more for the airplane.
I wanted to do a total restoration of this airplane.
John went on to upgrade the engines to IO 550s, added new props, vortex generators, and of course, new paint and interior. The scheme design was especially important to him.
So when we did our paint scheme, we used lines and we used colors and graphics that would enhance the features on the airplane that we found visually appealing.
All that work adds up to a 310 that's better than new.
May or may not be the best 310 there. Of course, I think maybe it is, but for sure it's one of the most expensive.
So while this work and cost for an old twin, it goes back to John's love for the design and his desire to keep the airplane type alive.
Is I would like to see more people getting involved with 310s. I see so many of them without engines and weeds growing up around. I mean, we fly still quite a bit into smaller airports, and it's just kind of sad. And it's a great airplane. I know it's a great airplane. I just wish more people felt that way about it.
Josh Cochran, AOPA Live.